Hey everybody, I'm coming to you from the hottest property that's about to hit the market down in Essex on Sioux Creek Landing. Should be on the market either later today or tomorrow. It's going to be 1967 Sioux Creek Drive. It's right behind me here, but you can see the pictures will be online on all the different websites. Just had all the professional photos shot yesterday. It's a three-bed house and two full bath house. That's going to be, has a nice big deck in the back, steps to a patio, fully fenced in backyard. You can see the trees behind me that it backs to as well. Basement's completely finished. You could actually probably make another bedroom down there if you wanted to make it a 4-bedroom if you had to, because you had family that big. It does have a driveway over here too that you can see for a car, single car, maybe 2 cars. Plus you have street parking as well. Let me see what else. Trying to think. The kitchen's been updated. It's got granite counters in it, stainless steel appliances. And then the community itself, this is what's really cool. The community itself has a pier, a long community pier, and a boat ramp. So you can actually launch your own boat out there as well. It's got your own code or whatever to open the gate. But we got some pictures of that too. So that'll be online. Everything's online. So go take a peek at it. Like I said, it'll be active either later today or tomorrow with all the photos, and showings will be able to start later today or tomorrow. Open house, probably not this weekend because it's a little short notice since today's Thursday, but we'll probably do one next weekend if we don't have a contract. However, I'm really not anticipating not having a contract because this one, and I believe we're pricing it at $329.9. I don't have that sheet in front of me, so don't hold me to that number, but it should be priced at $329.9. And it's a super awesome house all the way at the end of the community. So it's just nice privacy down here, and you'll really like it when you see it. So any questions, call Mike at 410-236-3331. I'd be happy to set up an appointment to show you the property, or you can text me on that number as well. Once again, 410-236-3331. See ya. Bye.